Happy Dog steals the show at owner's wedding. August 4, 2018. Angie Blumberg and Jayce Conway got married in Big Sky, Montana last weekend, but their dog stole the show and the couple's wedding photographer captured the priceless moment. Credit, Chris Davis. GoodRoad.co. Angie told Fox 8 News that the photo was snapped during the opening prayer, when 6-year-old Boone decided to roll around on the ground in front of them. "He's a really well-trained dog," Jayce told Today. "I planned for him to stand between me and my brother. But when Boone saw Angie, he couldn't contain his excitement." Photo by Chris Davis. Visit him on GoodRoad.co and Instagram. Please consider making a donation to Sunny Skies and help our mission to make the world a better place.